I'm Ed Wright. We're here at ISS, and we're going to go through the bagging system that we came out a couple of years ago. Most bagging systems, they can't take as much grass to the deck and put into it. What we did here with this is we upsized the bagging system, matched the power of the engine to the bagger to take a little bit more grass than the deck is able to produce, so it remains a balanced system. It's less likely to flood. Just an example, you could go at 8-inch deep grass with this machine, full speed, and dry out. It's not going to cut. It's also not going to cut that rate at that speed. But that's just an example that I'm talking about, the ability to vegetation when not grass. Now, how do we do that? Start with this pulley here. A lot of times these bagging systems have a small pony pulley here. We actually use the full-size pulley we would put on the center spindle. Here's the side pulley for the bagging system. We use a full-size belt. And because this blower is oriented this way, the belt doesn't have to go twisted around in a different way. So direct drive to the blower itself. The blower has a pretty tall blade in it, so it moves a lot of air. And on the very bottom edge here, it's actually double laminate, so it gives us a lot of impact resistance, erosion, So you need to take the bagging system off the mower. It's very easy. We have a powder pin right here, powder pin on that side. So if you take out those two pins with one person, you can lay the bagging system back. And same thing, putting it back on. It's kind of like the trunk of your car. Just close it and it latches. There's no rubber latches and that kind of thing. And some of those latches, when they break, they're kind of expensive to repair. But very easy to grab and go at the system. And then full-size bag. So it's a full capacity unit. The other thing is there's a trailer hitch on the ZXT. But if you buy the bagging system on one of the stand-on mowers, like we have a ZK over there, the adapter allows you to put a hitch on one of the stand-on mowers. Well, nobody else in the business has a full-size bagging system like this that fits properly on a stand-on mower, keeping it balanced. And so this standard bagging system for us fits both the standard LG and standard C pins as well. It's been out for a couple of years, and it's been a very successful jam bagger for us and many other customers. I also want to say thanks for Joshua and the team here at ISS for having us out and supporting our line for all these years. So it really means a lot to us. Dealers like this, it's the strength of our business, it's the strength of your business when it comes to bringing you the products that you need, the support that you need. And so we very, very much appreciate that.